This is just a really quick follow-up video regarding, I had made a tutorial for these to make this swoosh bag, and I had a couple questions and comments regarding using the Butler zipper installation method to install the zipper on this bag on both sides without using a zipper tab. And the question was, and the comments were, wouldn't the side without the pull come open? Because there's nothing there keeping it shut, no tab, nothing like that, as you're using the bag. Wouldn't it keep coming open? And I can tell you that from my experience, the answer to this is no, but I do think that you would want to watch out for it, especially on a larger bag that has a wide opening at the top, right? Where it's not like tapered or a thin opening, but like, you know, the zipper's here and then it's more flat and wide, right? I would think that maybe there would be some pressure on that there as you were using it, maybe. But I just wanted to show you something to kind of just show you why this doesn't really bother me. This is a bag that I made back in July. This is just a very, very simple crossbody bag that I made that I seem to always come back to. Like, I carry a lot of my own bags, tester bags, off and on. So it's not as though I've been using it every single day since July, but it's the bag that I seem to always come back to after I've tested out, used another bag for a few weeks. Like, I carried my Perigee bag that I just wrote the pattern for quite a while instead of this one. Carried my honey bag for quite a while to test it out instead of this one. But since July, in between those other bags, this has been my go-to bag. It's my grab and go, fits everything perfectly. It's perfect for me. I made it for me, so I think that's why. But so I used the Butler Method. Now this is a fairly kind of thick cowhide leather, and I installed the zipper using a Butler Method, and I've been carrying it off and on, mostly on, since July. I have literally never had it come open on me. And I've got it some days stuffed pretty thick. It's pretty heavy. Here, I'll tell you how heavy it is so you know how much stuff is actually in there. And the only reason I'm bringing this up is because I do think that it is something you should definitely watch out for, but I do also think that maybe it's not as big a deal as you might think it is. Okay, maybe I will not get that off. There we go. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So here's the bag with all my stuff in it. Is 1 pound, 15.88 ounces. So almost 2 pounds I'm carrying around in here, stuffed with a large wallet end to end. And I can honestly say it has come undone. So I don't know. I mean, you see where it splits obviously into the two sides, but I never have this opening, never. So if you're concerned about that, just know it might have to do with the size and shape of the bag. It might also have to do with the kind of zipper that you're using. So this is a number 5 nylon zipper. That's what I use on all my bags. If you're using maybe like a thinner zipper, like a number 3 or something like that, that might also be an issue. But I can tell you from experience that I have not had any issues with the Butler Method on both sides. Tabs are cute too. So if you're concerned about it, add a tab, add a zipper tab. On some of my totes, I add the hang tab on the one side rather than just a tab inside the seam. And that takes care of the issue of bulky corners and, you know, having a zipper stop totally if that's concerning you. So that's that. Hope that helped clear things up, and let me know if you have any questions.